Rich Nation, remember to buckle up. Rich Nation, remember to buckle up. So, Rich Nation, whenever you're in the car, remember to buckle up. No matter where you are, back seat, front seat, keep you safe from anything happening. Buckle up in the front or back. Prevent anything to happen. Keep yourself safe. Buckle up in front and back seats. Keep you at risk. Nation, remember to buckle up always, every time you go out. Doing school trips, doing work trips, doing travel. Remember to buckle up, keep you safe during car accidents. No matter when you're in front or back seat, just buckle up. Buckle up, no risky happens. Happy. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and notification bell. Bye, Rich Nation.